DJM TV.
Welcome to DJM TV Weekly News Update. I am Lawolu Favor. Please, if you're new to this channel, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Also click on the notification bell so you keep receiving videos from us.
DJM TV.
Okay guys, I'm live. We're told now that hoodlums have entered the studio. We have to turn off the show. We're told that hoodlums have entered our studio. We had to cut off the show. We couldn't continue the show. We are going off now, and we're trying to get safe. Hoodlums have entered TVC, and they're attacking. They've started attacking us inside the studio. I had to cut off the show, and we couldn't go up. We can't continue the show right now. I don't even know what to do. Okay. So Tokwe and I had to run away. Yes. Tokwe and I are here in the studio by ourselves. We're live in the studio, and we can't go anywhere. Oh, Father, Lord Almighty. They're inside TVC. They're inside TVC already, and they're trying to attack us. We had to stop the show. And we couldn't continue with the show. All our producers had to cover for safety.
He's outside. He said that they are destroying things outside. He said they are destroying this transmitter, those things.
Okay, guys. So we've locked ourselves in the studio right now. We have to barricade. We have to barricade right now. Just put chairs here to cover ourselves. And they are in the studio. We are told that we had RRS earlier today, and they actually were in the studio. The RRS police was here earlier, but they ran away. So the hoodlums are here now, plenty. So we don't know what's going on outside. We're just staying outside. We're just staying here by ourselves right now. Myself and Tokwe and the camera guys are just here, and we've tried to lock ourselves in here. The police ran away. We had 2 trucks of police earlier. 3 trucks of police earlier. Okay, so we're just in the studio. We're stuck here. All the hoodlums. I hear that they started destroying things outside the studio already. They've started destroying things outside. The transmitters, yes. They've destroyed the dish, yes. Okay, so we're trapped inside. We can't go anywhere. I need to even... We don't even know what's happening. We can't even call anybody. Guys, we need to get people, please tell people we need police to come and rescue us here. We need the police to rescue. We can't go outside, we are trapped in, and they've come into our studio and they're destroying things inside. They've come, we don't know, we are here trying to hide. We're in the studio, but they've not seen us here. We're hiding in the studio. Oh, Father, Lord Almighty. Have we called anybody to know what's happening? Hi, Bikano. Somebody can call. Please, we need reinforcement here. The hoodlums have entered the studio and they're attacking. And they've started destroying things inside the studio. Please. But okay, like Ivy. Or call Tolako to call Ivy. We need help. Have you Chelsea block it? Let's block immediately. Okay, so more.
You know that we're broadcasting fake news.
We're hearing their voices. Oh, but I can hear their voices in the But how long have I proceeded by phone? Camera guys, we can't go anywhere. We are hearing their voices inside the studio. Inside the studio one. Where's your husband? Have you called your husband? Oh, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Okay, let me try to call my driver to even have an idea.
I'll record, oh, they burnt everything, they burning everything.
Record now. Have you recorded?
Yes, I'm recording.
Record everything.
The entire building is on fire now. The entire building is on fire. They burnt all our cars. They burnt my car, burnt Mariah's car. Everything has been burnt down. Every car. A few cars were not burnt, but Mariah's car was burnt completely. My own two burnt completely.
That wine color is Mr.
Okay. Our producers, all the presenters' cars, everything burnt down. The building itself is already burning. The building is burning. The building is burning. This is TVC.
DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV. DJM TV.
That's the news for the week. But before we go, we'd love to say a very big thank you to some of our supporting members. Arinze Agulonu, Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars Ville, GKH Foundation, Cheesy 1DK, Eve Dow TV, Anointed Lady TV, and others too numerous to mention. Please, if this is your first time of seeing our videos, do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel at DJM TV. Click on the notification bell so you receive videos from us as soon as they drop. Also, follow us on all our social media platforms. Also on our website www.djmtv.news, where we drop news 24 hours every day. I am Lawuru Favor. Thanks for watching.
DJM TV. DJM TV.